bikes have performed really well throughout the trip. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is the last day of this road trip. We'll be headed straight back to Bangalore. Yesterday was a very tiring and exhausting day. We just came back to the room and all the cameras were dead, even the phones were dead. I couldn't vlog. So we came back to the room. There's a restaurant downstairs. We just had some light dinner and went to sleep. My legs are slightly aching after the long walk. Very exhausting day. But I feel it was worth the effort put in after all the adventure we had. Make sure to check the previous vlog as well. For now, we just packed. The bags are already saddled up on the bike. So let's go. Let's hit the road. It's 5 a.m. in the morning right now. So let's see how fast we can make it back home. ಸರ್ ಬೀಗ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? That's it. ನೋಡ್ದಾ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್, ರೈಟ್ ತಗೊಳ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ old city of Belgaum. The new smart city is about 2.5 kilometers towards the left. This is the bus stop, so we just came out from the highway and found this place. There's a lot of road work in progress and a lot of one ways as well. Very confusing. It's been 7 days. Today is the 8th day into this road trip, and well, it was quite a bit of an adventure, you know. We have close to 500 kilometers. Whoa! There's about 500 odd kilometers to do until we reach Bangalore. So let's see what the last 500 kilometers are all about. नहीं है ऐसे ऊपर जा सकता है बैंगलोर. Okay, so we have to go on the opposite side and then take the route. And the straight long road back home. Pleasant weather, a little foggy now, but that shouldn't be a problem at all. We had to stop for breakfast. I just took a short break at Bangalore Toll Plaza. That's where I'm standing right now. I'm waiting for Yatish to join me. I don't know, he slowed down or he stopped, I'm not sure. The roads were bad and there was a lot of diversion, so I just kept going forward. Look at the dust. Oh, this very dusty. It hasn't rained, so that's one good thing. It hasn't rained like 15 days, I guess. Let's see. The weather is a little cloudy, but doesn't seem like it's gonna rain. Hope for the best. We stopped here for breakfast at Kamat Upachar. Expected time of arrival at Bangalore, according to me, would be somewhere around between 2 and 3. The bikes have performed really well throughout the trip. had no hiccups whatsoever. Yatish lost a silencer heat shield screw, and as usual there will be some slight oil leaks here and there. That is common. Perfect adventure bike looks like that now, all dusty, slushy, muddy. We will have one more fuel stop when we reach the outskirts of Bangalore, I'm guessing. I think after the entire week's ride, today will be the only day we're going to ride in dry conditions. Otherwise, every single day it was drizzling. And we have completed 3/4 of our route for today. We have about 150 kilometers to Bangalore. We should be there in a maximum of 2.5 hours at the max. Made sure not to enter Bangalore city during peak traffic conditions. We did make up real good time. It didn't rain. There are a few grey patches of clouds everywhere, but it's not hot. It's just that the sun comes out once in a while and gives a bright shine. Otherwise, it's always hidden behind the clouds. As we keep getting closer to Bangalore city, it's like, why isn't Bangalore coming now? The numbers just don't decrease. Look at the traffic pile up as we enter city limits. Oh. We still haven't reached the city technically. This is still the Bangalore-Nelamangala toll road. Beyond the next toll is when the city limit starts, and already there's so much traffic on a weekday. So it's raining in Bangalore. And here it is. Bangalore is welcoming us with the drizzle. Ooh. 1:30 we have reached our starting point. Let's see how long it takes for us to reach home. Sari mom, ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮು. We'll meet again. So much traffic in the city. Bangalore's got its charm back. World famous Bangalore traffic.